Let me start stopwatch and then start first with background in body. Background of this one. Okay, margin it's 0. Box sizing, border box. Okay, now display grid, place items, center. Now at first I'm going to create this square. Or maybe I can just create this one first. Let's create this one. Let's see what happened. I'm going to use this selector. Oh, what's up? Oh. It is going to be bigger. 200, 250, 40. Correct. 80. Yes. Now let's give a border. Border of 20 pixel solid. Not 20 pixel, it is 30. Yes. Solid, which color? White one. And border left, none. And also border right. Now can I use box shadow? Box shadow of 30 pixel, 30 pixel. It is y-axis, so y-axis 30, it is 0. No, it is 0, 30 pixel downwards. Okay. Which color? This one. Good, right? No. Same is going to happen with 0 and it's 30. 0 minus 30. Oh. Now left right. Left right, it is going to be 30 and 30. Okay, I can spread right, so spread must be 10. What will happen? Pixel? No. 0, then 10, 20, 30, oh, 30, then nice. Wow. Oh, I just learned that now. Can I use another box shadow for this white one? Let's see. And maybe it is 40, 60. And I have to remove the top one. So how I'm going to stretch 10 pixel. No, it is going to be blurred. Hmm. Okay, then just remove it. 60 pixel, 10 pixel, 60 pixel 0 and 0 and 10 pixel 30. Okay, and then it is 30. Good, nice. And it is minus 30. Oh, nice. Let's submit. 100% match, and it's time 6 minutes 52 seconds. Thanks for watching, guys.